linguistic diversity in its training data, leading to skewed translations and potential misunderstandings. These problems pose serious ethical issues, but the question remains, how can we address them? With the right approach and mindset, we can begin to untangle these issues, paving the way for a more ethical use of AI in SMT. But that's a discussion for another time. For now, let's keep exploring the challenges and their potential impacts. Addressing the ethical implications of AI in SMT requires a multifaceted approach. To tackle the issue of bias, we must diversify our datasets. This means collecting data from a broader range of sources with a keen eye on representation. Through this, we can train our algorithms to be more universal, less biased, and more fair. Next, we need to increase transparency in our AI models. This involves making the decision-making processes of AI more understandable and accessible. It's about opening up the black box of AI so that everyone can see how decisions are made. Lastly, we need to implement responsible development practices. This could involve setting up ethical guidelines for AI development or having an ethics board overseeing the process. It means being proactive in identifying potential ethical issues and addressing them head-on. By taking these steps, we can begin to address the ethical implications of AI in SMT. To sum up, the ethical implications of AI in SMT are serious but not insurmountable. We've touched on the key issues, from biases in data and algorithms to the need for transparency in AI operations. The importance of these ethical considerations cannot be overstated. We've also highlighted some promising solutions, such as the introduction of ethical guidelines and the development of more responsible AI. As we move forward, let's keep these points in mind. Remember, the future of AI and SMT lies in our hands. It's up to us to ensure its ethical development.